We saw in the previous module how we can use nested rules. Parent selectors are an advanced feature of nested rules which allow us to replace a certain symbol with the actual parent selector for the root of the nested rule. So here we're using the ampersand signal, which signifies to SAS that it wants to use the parent selector here. So effectively, when we see the ampersand, we'll get nav.related list item A prefixed before this hover. So if we save this and have a look at our generated CSS, I'm just going to quickly format the document by using Ctrl-E-D. We can see that our anchor here with the hover has been prefixed with the nav.related.list item. So in our SAS file here, this ampersand has been expanded to all of this text here. And we can see that here. So if we just take a look at the HTML here, we've got a navigation element that contains an unordered list. If we take a look at this in the browser, we can see we get our hover styles, and if I just click on one of these, we get our visited style. So another handy feature of these parent selectors is that if we wanted to, for example, have our links in italic, but only when people are logged in, so for example, if the body contains a class of logged in, we can do that using parent selectors. So here, we're prefixing our parent selector with body.loggedin. So let's just save this. And we'll have a look at our CSS. Again, just quickly format. We can see now that we've got this additional style, but it will only apply to our list items when the body contains the logged in class, which it currently doesn't. So if we run this, we can see that it's the same as before. But if we go and apply the logged in class to our body here, and just run this, we can see now that this time our anchors here are italic. So that's how we can use the parent selector ampersand inside a nested rule to get at the outside parent selector that's being used to set the context for the rule.